Disclaimer. Yo. You. Good morning. I wish I had a Celsius with me. This week has been awful. That it has, my friends. I will not disagree with you. Yes, bro. The orange one. They're so good. Chris Stevens, hello. Fox, Cyber, Auntie. I feel like I haven't seen you in a minute. I entered 2 trades yesterday, one being instantly against a Trump tweet. Green already? 2? No? I haven't taken any trades today. Leo will also join? No. It will be Kane and myself. Kane will be joining a little later. What's up, Slow to Swim 2577? What props you trading at the moment? Apex Lucid Trade TPT. Apex Lucid TPT. All I want is you. Sugar. I got wrecked yesterday. Traded like absolute dog. What about you guys? I'm looking to branch out, but not sure what to go for. What are you currently using? I will say this. I will always say this. Daily payout accounts. Daily payout accounts. Sorry if my voice gets a little raspy. I'm actually getting a little sick. But daily payout accounts. For sure. Cause they don't smile or smile like you. Cause they don't. Lucid daily. I hate consistency and shit and capped payouts. I mean, are you taking payouts like that? Tradeify doubles your wins, no? Trade sinker shit. I don't really copy accounts, boys. I kind of just take it one by one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm not like, I'm sure at some point I will. Just not right now. TPT is just too goated. But I'm sure you can do the same with the Lucid ones. The cool thing about Lucid is that they also have other accounts, right? Like it's not like I just say daily because daily payouts is like my favorite kind of it's my favorite kind of account. That's really it. What's up, Fortune? How are you, brother? Long time no talk. Yeah, only thing I don't like with Lucid is the news trading. It's all USD red folders. I mean, I don't even really trade news anyways. You know what I mean? Cause they don't smile or smell like you. Even PPI today. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean even if you just don't trade, like I don't trade before 8:30 or 8. I don't trade before 9 in the morning, to be honest. So it's like it doesn't really affect me. All good, bro. Been some time. How's August so far for you? First week was really fucking good. And then this week it just kind of shit the bed. Shit myself, shit the bed. Whatever the saying is. You know what I'm saying? Shit hit the fan. Shit hit the fan. Shit hit the bed. Shit myself. Or whatever the saying is. You guys know what I'm talking about. Order failed. Had a good first week too. Glad it was good for you. This is the slowest week. Yesterday was more trash. Yeah, yesterday was dog water. But yeah, Kane will be joining us a little bit in a little bit. We'll get this open covered. Not much to say, boys. There's just not a lot to say here. I'm gonna be honest with you. Cause they don't smile or smell like you. Where's Bray? Somewhere. No idea. What's up, Justin? Good morning, Panos. Panos. It almost feels like I don't even know, man. I just like I don't even I guess it'd be nice if we took out the slow. Ultimately, I think this is what we're going for. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know, but I want to see that 4-hour get tapped. Yeah, I just want us to get down here, 750. And it's not even that far. I'm not tripping. It's just not even that far. It feels far because we're so zoomed in on the current chart, right? the recent price action, but like this was an insane move. I'm just waiting for this to continue. Yeah, I know. It's the 4-hour CPI low. I'm just waiting for this to continue here. But realistically, like this is only 80 points away. It's not that far. I like YM for higher today. YM for higher. I don't like YM ever. Brother, ew. What part? Can't drink water no more? Can't drink water no more? Now that you're gone, gone, gone. 'Cause they don't smile or smell like you. YM ew. Oh, true. Yeah. True. So yeah, there's just like no setup here for anything. I think that's all of this week. Not much more room to run. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't mind if they dump it off the face of the earth at the open today, to be honest. But we do have 8:30 news, right? Yeah. Core PPI at 8:30, so they might just rip this before the open and then leave us basically with our hands. It's that one thing. Come down to the 4-hour trade back up in the range and done. Yeah, but that'd be nice, wouldn't it? I guess, I mean, you have an hourly swing, right? With absolutely no context here, but hourly swing nonetheless. Just been doing this. That. And then seeking continuations towards the downside. That's really all it's been doing. Which obviously it's so easy in hindsight, right? But we'll see what 8:30 news does in about 10 minutes. I'm short from 853. Good luck, brother. Be safe out there with the news coming in a couple minutes. Might end up with the smallest weekly candle in a while. Ooh, you're right. My TP's at the 4 hour. If not, I'm gonna be break even. Fair. What does that mean, Wolf? Let's face it. Wolf. I don't even know how you got that emoji in here. So, who pointed that out? Slowed. You're 100% right. Which is not a bad thing, right? Which means, like, if we want to catch expansions, we just have to wait until either next week or tomorrow might give us a big move, right? This whole week, we've been in this range, right? This whole week, if we just get rid of this and I plot this range here. This is where we've been. The week started here. Fuck is it? That's where the week started. So this whole range we've been in basically, and it's not even, I can actually, whatever. I won't zoom out too much, but basically a 450 point range. So truth of the matter is, at least personally for me, these are the weeks where I get into a bit of trouble, right? So what I need, or, it's really just about skipping these or just trading evals on these weeks. Of course, obviously we're identifying it in hindsight, but by Tuesday, late Tuesday or early Wednesday, I should be able to identify that we're just kind of stuck in this range. Yeah, I've been straight chilling all month. Nah, like last week was pretty good. Like this whole move here, this move, this uptrending market, just so cake to make easy to make money in. That's the truth. And then I just get cooked here. Now that you're gone. 1 minute away from passing my eval and trying to deal with this PA been awful. Looking forward to September to December should be some nice price run and volatility. Yeah. What's up, Sean? What's up? What's up? Do you trade any Apex accounts? Yeah, I'm working through some emails. Sorry, I thought somebody was pulling up to the house. I was like, who the fuck? Looking to try a few. Try them, bro. Try them. Honestly, it's every firm has its own like small little nuance, right? They all have their pluses. They all have like their things. You've got so many firms to choose from. Be sure to use code LAB. Apex is expensive. I don't think they're that expensive, bro. You can get a 5-pack. You can get a 5-pack of 50Ks with end of day drawdown with activation fee already included for I think like $540, which means it comes out to, what does that come out to? Like 110 per account, which is not that bad. I mean, you're looking at a what, $20 difference. We've got news here in about 2 minutes. Now that you're gone. Futures Elite 5 CC under 400. Yeah, but what kind of drawdown is it? And do they have activation fees? FN Flex 1500 drawdown, 2500 TP worth try. I like that. I like those odds. I like that ratio. I like that ratio. Let me see. Yeah, but I think you get a daily loss limit, Auntie. There's always a trade-off, right? Oh shit. Oh my god. What the fuck? That was interesting, to say the least. Did it take out anything significant? Not really. No, I know it was news. It was just I was watching the Trade of 8 print and it was like kind of crazy. I don't think I've ever not that I've never seen a news release like that, but it was almost like glitching. It was like in and out the candles. It's crazy. Well, we took out the Wick News low or whatever. What's up, Extreme? I thought they would have dumped it, to be honest. Like from this swing here. Thought they would have liked to have dumped it. Guess I was wrong. $8.33. 2 minutes till the next 5-minute candle. Good morning. What are they doing? How do you guys treat news candle for TA? Just ignore? I only really watch to see if it takes out a draw. Yeah. Yeah, same. I treat it about the same way. It's trying to get above the EQ here. But now we wait. 8:38. Just waiting until the next 15-minute candles or so. Ah, boys, my fucking leg has been cramping. No lie. 2 news releases that haven't pushed out the range. Yeah, high impact news hasn't been doing much lately. I'm not gonna lie to you. High impact news has not been doing much. I won't deny it. I'm a straight rider. You don't want to fuck with me. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, this fucking sucks. You think that suggests that everything is riding on Iran or that AI may be getting shaky? I don't think we can make that like assumption based on just 1 week worth of price action. Oh my god. I'm actually getting really sick of watching these charts lately. Let me pull up the Sunday opening price. Bum bum bum. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. I said dun 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 dun, and I'm like, There we go. Weekly opening price. Yeah, I think it's just using it as an EQ, right? That's what happens sometimes in consolidations. You'll notice that price likes to use higher time frame opening prices as the EQ. So it'll just kind of consolidate around it. Didn't realize ES cleared the recent highs. Oh, yeah. Do you guys use your Tradeovate on light or dark mode? That's the important part here. Dark, of course. Well, I don't know. Some people maybe like light mode. I just switched to light after I saw yours. Fair, bro. That means a lot. Thank you, brother. Yeah, boys. I have no idea. I don't know what they want to do here. I genuinely have no idea. I thought they might have wanted to have take it into the CPI low from yesterday. I think that would have made sense. To take out this low, get into a discount of the market, and then continue higher. But it seems like it has other plans. So, yeah. Dark mode because I'm not a psychopath. I guess, yeah, I don't know. Now the eye strain kills me. I feel you. I feel you. Just get blue light blockers. Yeah, but these consolidations have been rough. It's been fucking rough. I sometimes manage to get like into a nice position, sure, but then I get break even pretty much to the tick. Plus, I want that natural night vision for when the bombs start dropping. Oh my God. How's the heat? Oh my God, boys, it's fucking hot here. Literally scorched earth. Fucking scorching earth. We toasty in the UK. What's it at over there? Going to Florida on Saturday? Hell yeah, where are you going, bro? I think London is supposed to be 35 C today. 35 Celsius. No way. Too hot. Really? Man, y'all need AC. Yeah, here too in the Netherlands. Yeah, you guys got crazy shit going on over there, and solar eclipse, 35 degrees Celsius weather, fucking the beach by house was up in flames last night. What do you mean? Your house by the beach? Or the beach by the house? Nice, Chris. Where's Chris? Oh, Chris Stevens. Yeah, here too. Heat waves this year have been insane. Yeah, it has been kind of crazy. No, the sand dunes sky was orange all night. Damn. I'm sorry if I'm not really narrating price right now. I just like there's nothing for me to say here, to be honest with you boys. I'm just being honest. You have pretty much a wick on both ends, swing on both sides. You're at the weekly opening price. You're at the midpoint of the range. Like, this is just somewhere I wouldn't even care to really enter or look at. And that's the truth. Just outside Liverpool. And anyways, hi Alex, do you think it is actually possible to make money from trading? Because I'm not able to see anyone living off of trading income anywhere. Every profitable traders are mentors now, which is sus. Well, you can ask Kane. I do think it is 100% possible. Do I think it should be your only source of income? No. I think if you rely on trading to sustain your life, you will inevitably end up kind of miserable. That's me being honest. Already getting bought up quick, so I'll be long. Show order blocks and analysis on higher time frames. I just don't have anything. That's the thing, Oscar. I quite literally don't have anything. The only thing that's kind of making a real push here is the fact that we tapped into this daily imbalance, right? Exactly, Nick, what Kane said. What that guy said. Show order blocks. Yeah. This is why I got into lawn care. That's an interesting industry. You're a lawn care professional. You need a passion or a why because a lot of people really do not understand that money will not solve your issues. These facts. Just a hobbyist. Yeah, fair. But the person struggling to pay their bills doesn't understand that. But right now you are struggling. Yeah, true. Same with moving to another country. You always take your mind with you. So real. I've moved out and gotten a car from trading, and it's made me no happier at all. Yeah. What was that one quote? Forgot. It was like testament to true intelligence is if you get what you want out of life. Something like that. Something like that. Look at this yes chart. Oh my god. Why did I not look at this ES chart before? That is hilarious. I've moved anybody else? No, I've read it. I read through everything. I was just about to reread Millet's comment. Boys, look at this ES chart. That is hilarious. It seems like NQ is going for another what are these called? Dojis? Thanks, Trader Kane. $8:52. We got the open in about 38 minutes. We don't say that word here, Alex. Oh yeah, true. We don't. Doji. The Doji candle.
Oh, Alex, you know what arrived today? The new.
Oh, for real? Is it fire? Okay, that.
The new what? Question mark. Muting on critical info.
Uh, get baited, chat. Get baited. How we doing?
What's up, bro?
Yo,
Chilling.
check your phone. Check your phone. I'll send it to you.
I'll check. Let me see this shit.
Oh, that looks so much better.
Right? It looks good.
Yeah.
The only thing is the L is in the middle of the zip. It doesn't make sense.
Yes. Yeah, I was just about to say that. Shouldn't it be like two words on like one word on each side?
And bigger, so like it kind of takes up more room. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's comfy though, and it's gas. It's actually exactly what I wanted it to be.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it's so good. Chat, we were talking about merch. We had a load of merch made, and there were a few issues with it. But one of the main pieces we had made, there was just completely wrong material. So it arrived today, and yeah, but it's still a little bit wrong. Right. Anyway, let me share my screen for the production. You want that polo? $50. $50. Send me the $50. I'll send you it right now. Show me $50. I come work for you. Not really, by the way. It's not. I love defective clothing. Well, hey, that's fucking rude. We're bidding it up now. 55, 55.
You made any hats?
Yeah, we have made hats. We've seen the hats, but again, we're getting another hat made. Let chat. Don't worry about it. We'll cook. Just let him cook. Let him cook. Right. We have how many likes do we have on the stream right now?
Let me see.
Wow, we have 14 likes and 103 of you. That's fucking gay. Pump those numbers, boys.
Pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers.
Those are rookie numbers. You want a lab umbrella? Yo, when what's it called? When it starts raining in the UK, we will get umbrellas. Today, an umbrella would fucking melt. That's what it would do.
Yeah, I heard it's 35 degrees.
Bro, it's 100 Fahrenheit right now.
Oh
like,
my God.
Actually, like, I'm actually just in the office and it's fucking cold up here. I went and got a vest to put underneath.
Fire.
Yeah.
Lab underwear would be sick.
You boys are always sus, you know that. You guys just always have to take. You're next. You're gonna be like used underwear. You guys are always so weird with it.
Lab thong.
Sean, you want to chill out, my boy. Right. What's going on in the market? Absolutely fuck all.
Yep.
Basically,
We're in like 100-point range.
we're just gonna trade the opening range today. Got a chat. Yes. For those that were here on Tuesday when we got wiped out on that low, I took a 3K loss yesterday. So basically a break even on the week after a pretty monstrous Monday, which is disgusting. And we are restarting all of the evals because they're all fucking cooked. They're all cooked. So a fresh set of evals today. 5 Lucid 150k flexes, 5 Traderfire 150k selects, 5 TPTs, 3 end of day rapids. And if we blow them all today, I may just end it all.
I think the whole world is back to evals.
I think we may just end it all. Bro, it's stacked with evals. 2,500,000 and 50,000 of evals. Let's get it. All we need to do is make 10% on these evals, and we're up $250,000 that we totally cannot withdraw. Perfect.
That's the social media logic. 2.5 million evals, make 10%, you're up 250K.
You know what I'm saying?
Is trading hard lately, or is it just us?
Boys, it's just summer PA. Like, I don't know how to explain this to you. You have to live it. If you zoom out, it basically does one of two things. It either goes in one direction without letting you get in anywhere, or it just goes sideways indefinitely. I'm trading the 50K end of day rapids, yeah. Basically, the rapids got wiped out. Basically, the rapid, the lucid accounts, the TPT accounts, and the funded next accounts all got wiped out on that 50K. Well, they didn't get wiped out. They basically took like a 75% DLL loss. I sized for like a third of DLL, and it slipped me 2x. So this trader has $2.5 million in funding. True. So yeah,
People used to put that shit in their bios. You remember that?
men also used to go to war. A lot changed, you know.
How is it hotter where you are than here, bro?
Bro, it's fucking hot as balls here right
How is
now.
that possible?
We're not going outside today. We are banned from leaving the building.
Quite cold, actually. All right, bread. An awesome toast. I'm sweating from places I didn't know I could.
Yeah, it's super hot actually. I have to go pick the doggies up. Actually, it's not even picking them up. I just have to go take them for a wee later. Because they are confined to a small air-conditioned room today to stop them cooking. The Lucid Daily accounts, CFJ, the reality is they're more expensive. And they're the same. All the daily accounts are the same. Did I apply step 7 from my blueprint? Oh, you know how fucked it is, chat. That shitty tweet did numbers. It got 700 likes, 70K impressions, 400 fucking bookmarks. Are you kidding? That's how fucked the industry is.
Wake up at 3:47.
347, not 348. Trading doesn't like the round numbers. Keep it on its toes. Okay, look, let's actually look at what's happening here, right? Let's actually look what's happening. If we look at the 4-hour chart, basically we're holding these like 830s to 800s, right? If we just kind of zoom out and look around that level since this push up, we kind of haven't really dipped below here all too much, right? So I think overall this is a good area to look for it to be bid out of. And if they can bid it out and break out of here, I think the reality is we try and get long on some sort of retest. It's just fucked actually, because this Newsweek, it's like you get short now, it's kind of cooked. I'm really just like trying to play the opening range today. I think I would love to get long off of something like this, like a 5-minute. But honestly, I would like us to pull back into this 5-minute inversion, break out, and then go higher. I'm probably not going to be trading reversals today. I'm probably going to look for some continuations. But look, we have 4-hour low. We have a pretty good daily, couple of daily candles. We have this daily swing, another daily swing up here. We're opening. ES has these equal highs that probably need to go from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The logic for me would expect for them to get wiped out, probably not get bullish there though, not get bearish. It may just be a day where we potentially do nothing. I would like to get a trade on because I would like to pass all these accounts before Monday. and then we have Monday next week. So I need a 4.5K day today on the Traderfy and Lucid accounts, and a 4.5K day tomorrow. I'll be trading the live account as well. The problem is, chat, is everything is kind of cooked right now. I can't log into TradingView on the live account because I'm not paying the $10. And NinjaTrader told me they would pay for it, and they've stopped paying for it. So yeah, basically it's fucked. I'm gonna put on some SD kid.
Started using the 3, Joel.
Yeah.
What's
It's pretty good, the 3-minute time frame.
that? Bro, I can't believe people are actually just taking so much from that tweet. Every single part of it is sarcasm, by the way. I didn't even proofread it. I just posted it.
No proofread.
It's kind of impressive that it did so well.
Cut off every friend who says the market is basically gambling. Poverty is contagious and it's spread through Wi-Fi.
It's bad, really, isn't it?
It sounded like hyperbole, but facts. Took my parents' TV. 30K incoming. That looks like it. No mercy. Just going for that high before 9:30. Which is fucked. What happened, Ketchup? You try shorting this? It's basically just a 100-point move towards the upside. Long from 833. Oh yeah.
I mean, it would have been it would have been great to be long from there, but like you're basically not long into news. Like there's just no version of that way or not, right? Because literally last time I traded was at 8:30. So it's not, if you're comfortable with that, then I'm cool with it. But 8:33, yeah, great log. You just gotta be comfortable with getting absolutely annihilated. Right now, I think that we are in this range, right, from yesterday. So naturally I'm just gonna get bearish up here. That's just how it is until otherwise.
I'm shocked we haven't taken the CPI low.
We'll come back for it. I think today, if you're gonna trade, your best friend will be low size. we can get through this 1 minute, I'll probably take. I'll try it. I'll try it and see if this range is just gonna keep playing. I would like to see us go higher in like 7 minutes. Give us a 15. Give it a 15-minute high, hourly high, 4-hour high. There's no daily high. Daily high is pretty far away. But I think we're there. Ideally, I would just like to see ES just spike everything at the open, and that would make me bearish.
Because ES already took, or has it?
No, I wasn't taking anything.
No. That hourly chart looks so ugly on ES.
Trading looks ugly right now.
Full clip. What's up, Nico?
Twenty minutes till the open, boys.
Nice little pop here.
Apex 50K for 49 all in, but intraday is scary. Yeah.
Scarring.
I think you learn to deal with it slowed, to be honest. It fucking sucks, but just try it, see how it goes. You know, Swim? Worst case scenario, what? You're up 49? Also, good morning to everyone that just joined. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe. We are, I think, like 65 subscribers away from 5K. Double trouble. What's up, Matrix? Sign into your girl's account, subscribe. Sign into your mom's account, subscribe. What's up, Gable? Yeah, we'll see what 930 does, boys. My girl's account. Yeah. Anybody, your uncle's account, whatever. Why are you asking a question? I don't know.
These glasses, these are Kane, these are lab special. They're actually, they are completely made by us. You can't see it, but there is a tiny little lab logo right here. There's a tiny little lab logo. I'm just trying to get it in the sun. See it? The sun? The sun. The light. The sun. But yeah. That's it. I know. Are you jealous? You want a pair?
$50.
$500 because he's the only pair right now.
One of one.
One of one. Jordan, how you doing, brother?
Or dang. Do the glasses have AI in it?
The fuck is that kind of question, Alex? Will it make you guys better traders? Jordan, what is that Chinese character about? Something good? Does anyone else see that? Or
Bro,
just
I
me?
see it. It happens randomly. I don't know why.
Jordan just has this random Chinese character in front of I'm good.
Yeah.
Jordan's been practicing his Mandarin on the golf course.
It happens with an awesome bread too. I don't know if you're still here.
You see it though? Do you see it, John? Or is it just me and Alex that see it? Do I have an M5 Max? Okay, so listen, right? I'm gonna be honest as to why my computer died yesterday. My computer died and my laptop was run. Basically, I have my studio running a bunch of AI workflows, and my laptop is always running something AI related as well. The thing is, I couldn't. They were in the middle of something quite urgent, and I couldn't shut them down. The studio actually just died, like it just turned off, and I was like getting ready to stream, so I had to quickly open the laptop. The laptop could handle it, but it was running like 15 things. So as soon as the PC was back up, I was going to switch. So there's no point. But the laptop can handle the stream, no problem, and do all that. But I have the M4 Max. I do not have the M5 Max. So yeah. I think that I may get short here. Just one, but I think I may do it. I want us to break 2904s. Basically back below this. If we break below this, I'll just resell it. Yes, more often than not, Wolf, yeah. Wait to see 925 swept. Yeah, but I'm more looking at this from a range, right? And when there's a range, I basically just don't do anything else other than trade the range. So we'll see. I'm actually going to sell 2 here. My stop is at the high. And we'll see. I'm not logged into any account right now. I'm just not. Don't know why. My trading view doesn't show that. But basically the trade I want right now, in fact, I'm in it right now. There we go. This is the trade I actually want. There we go. It's a risky one. I'm treating it more as a range. At that point, I don't need highs and lows. I just need the area to trade. And if we go on the hourly chart as of right now, it's really hard to say that this is not a range. In fact, we can tighten it up even more, right? We can actually say that this to this is the range. This is outside, this is outside, and we're just consolidating either way. And then if you want, what we can do now is we can just add the range fib up to it. And yeah. So this is the range for me. And then I drop down a lower time frame. And basically, all I want to do is try and trade between these 2 points. And all I did was map these out from higher time frames. You get bearish here and get bullish here. And basically, we just try not to get stuck in the middle. Is the background music too loud, or you just want to mute it, Harry?
I think it's pretty low.
So actually, I'm probably just going to widen this stop loss to above this because that's just how I trade it. 929. I would do 930s. And that's it. Now I'm in 2 minis, and I just basically want to see some movement back down to these 50%. My targets are always the same. So 7875.
Oh, he just wanted to know the name. Harry, it made it seem like it was too loud.
That's it, chat. This is just it's just a range trade. How am I finding August? Pretty boring, but I don't ever really do well in summer anyway, so that's the truth. Nah, it's not your bad, bro. I've not found it like awful. Like I had a really good Monday and then I got slipped on Tuesday, which basically made not make much sense, but ultimately I think it's not been like horrific to get a read on. Kane's strategy is to trade to 50%, and Alex is it. No, I also trade away from 50%. I just have a reversal strategy. Am I a player? No. It depends, actually. Used to be, I guess. Yeah, what kind of question is that, eh?
Inspo.
So ES is kind of doing what we wanted Nasdaq to do. If they fall through here, I could actually add to this now. It's giving us this divergence that will play out, and if we break through here, then this is just for me, it's just a really good trade at that point. So we'll see. Which glasses? They're a lab special. Okay, all we really need now is a closure below 901, 901.50. And then yeah, then I could probably look to short this some more.
I love the copy and paste feature, like from copying something from your MacBook and then pasting it on your phone.
Oh yeah, it's good.
It's so good.
Yeah, we'll give away some glasses. We just have to get them made. This was just a sample. I'm not in love with how like flimsy they are. So just trying to make them thicker, a bit more, feel a bit more premium. But I mean, they're good. They're just, yeah. MOQ. We actually have 500, which is fucking nuts, right? But it's between different colors.
Yeah, the frame is nice. Yeah.
You really like the frame? Well, the good thing is you'll be able to take them to an optician's, get the frames, and then what's it called? Get them ripped out, you know? No closure. Yeah, I think it's coming. Sad news is I think we spiked the high with the open, so I probably might get out of this. I may stay in my personal and just give it a pretty wide stop loss because I'm only in one there. I'm only in two there. Looks brownish. What looks brown? The specs. Oh, they're green. They're green. They're green. Frames and green lenses. It's just probably just my light that makes them look brown. Yeah, they're green. Are we satisfied with the growth so far? Yeah, I am. I think we didn't, look, being honest, we could sit here and give away 50 accounts every day and make firms give them to us and whatever. We just know that that's not an audience that we want to build. We want to reward people for watching, and we're trying to build a program that allows us to do that. But I don't want to be giving away accounts every single day to, a bunch of people that basically only show up for giveaways. Because you see these streamers with 1,000 people watching, like 700 people are there, just literally just there to get free shit. And I don't really see the value in that. Okay, my stop losses here is at 30.5. I'm risking $1,000. So we'll see. Appreciate you, Mag. They're just going to switch here at the open, I think. No, I haven't traded London in a very long time. I just haven't, actually. But I need to get on there to spend some time with Okay, we've got the open here in 4 minutes. I traded London the other day. The only time I really trade London is when I'm made to stream on. I say made. When I stream on Tradify TV. That's it. And that's just because I committed to doing that a very long time ago with them, and I've just honored that.
You have a divergence for the S, I think, on the one.
On the 1 minute? Yeah. Really, we just need a 15-minute swing on one of them. They're both so close to these highs. I think realistically, we should get out of this trade at any available opportunity. I wanted a good reaction before this. The more we're up here, the more likely that at the open we just spike and then pull back. And yeah, I just think it's just absolutely minus EV to keep it open. So if we can get a good reaction here, back down to 900s, I will probably flatten. And go from there. I wouldn't mind selling the opening range like we did on NT yesterday. But I actually only did that on my live account, so no prop there. When you called me a player, did you mean it? I don't know. I don't think I ever called you a player, bro. I really don't understand what you're on about. Good morning, Picasso.
What's up, Picasso?
So hard, actually, boys. So hard. What do we do? Do we leave it open? I'm pretty confident in the range plays, to be honest. I think it's worth the stop. I think it's worth the stop out risk, but I almost guarantee it's just gonna fucking run it. My exact stop loss is here. Basically, we can't have a 10-point run higher. We have to just see an immediate run lower. On stage at Ninja Trader in London, you called me a player in front of everyone. No, you're talking shit, bro. I did not say that. If I did, I don't understand the context of why I did that. Okay, we've got the open right now. Good luck. I think I'm about to experience some pain. Thank you for participating. Okay, maybe not.
Oh shit. Nice.
I mean, we actually need TP though. I'm not moving anything right now. The
range lives on.
The range lives on. Okay, my stop loss is now at the high of the opening range. So like right here. I just needed to reduce all my risk. My TP is basically just at the low of the opening range. So, wow, they grabbed me for $300 and fucking went, which I need to flatten now and everything because they're about to buy the low. That was disgusting from them. Actually disgusting from them. The range lives on. Did ES spike? No, it actually ticked previous day high and died. That is a silly stop out from me, I think. That's a silly stop out.
It looks like it wants to, yeah, just die.
Wow. That's silly from us. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm more interested in selling the reoffer of the opening range if they give it to us. If they don't give it to us, then so be it. But that's actually what I'm interested in happening right now.
Yeah. Would be nice. Would be nice.
Yeah, there we go. There it is. I got it. They actually just need to defend this really well. If not, I'm getting ready to flatten. I need to see ES. ES is kind of not doing anything. I've not flattened yet. I have a hard stop in at 29,900s. It's just where this volume started. So it's actually, my stop's actually at this 4-hour high. So 0.575. Failing this, I would probably just wait for a re-break. There we go, they got me. Yeah, that's fucking gay. That's just bad for me. And now they're gonna go again. I'm not going to touch it now. Thanks for the sell. Yeah, I mean, I should have just stayed in it like a man. Because we took out this, and I'm now trying to short it again. ES took out the high. I think ES just took out all of those. No, just previous day high. Nothing really changes here for me. I'm just getting whipsawed around in the middle. We'll see if NQ can take the high.
Here, but
you bought calls.
I want calls here, but I'm not gonna get filled. I had to limit, and they couldn't get me filled.
I think this is bullish, chat. I think it's really bullish now. I don't think there's a way that we can look to short this. We took out 50% of the range at here, now breaking above. If we fail here, like higher time frame, then I get bearish, but I'm not looking to short outside of this blue box. Kind of made that point earlier. We took out a good low. We have a swing to the downside, the 4-hour and the hourly. They fail up here, or yeah, I'm not interested. Just do the 15-minute version. Yeah. I think this long was nice. I was short into it, and I was just finding a reason to flatten. I couldn't get it, so by the time it stopped me, the real fall was just a bit silly. Yeah, it was a great open though.
Do we go for the high?
I think we have to, right?
Yeah.
The thing is that ES just took out all of those highs, so I think it's just important as to how they get going here.
Yeah.
Obviously, we have yesterday's opening range. Just marking it so we can extend it because it stops extending at the new open. So yeah, long didn't get filled.
Nope, my calls did not get filled.
No.
Fucking sucks.
Messy.
Yeah, because I tried to go for like a market enter on QQQ calls, but they don't allow market orders before 9:35.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. So then I tried to get a limit order in, and it was too late by that time.
Like, guys, we just ran 100 points up, right? Actually, a bit more than that. 150 points just up. You want to fade that? Be my guest. I think I'm gonna set that one. They're pushing it. I mean, this is just chilling now. Everything's at the highs, and they're pushing. Fuck, that's a 200-point move instantly.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna have to go without me. Absolutely nothing up there for me, chat. One nano would be $40 on that move. Yeah, it's too, but it's a little bit too much, isn't it, for most people? We're going to previous week high at this point. Yeah, I mean, what's stopping us? The only thing is we could fail here really ugly and leave everyone in the dust, you know? But I doubt it very fucking much. We're at 30K, you know?
Oh shit, yeah, 30K flat.
I think people see a 100-point candle, they're gonna just instantly look to short it, and I think they're gonna get their faces melted off. This thing takes another leg higher. One bearish close candle after 130 points. Everyone's piling into that shit. It's probably just some profit taken. You know, the worst thing that they can do now is they just collapse it 100 points lower.
Oh my God. That'd be fucking nuts.
Yeah, it would be disgusting. At that point, I would be like, yeah, I'm out. You can take this thing where you want to take it without me. I want nothing to do with that.
That would be crazy.
Yeah. I've never tried Nutella with cheese on top, my boy. That doesn't sound. That sounds really interesting. Yeah, look, now that one down close candle, now they just melt everyone's face off. Look at ES. Interesting though. The short entry was great, chat. Just the trader managing the short entry was not so great today. Ripped, yeah. 50% chat. You know what I'm saying? Literally just that shit just flew.
Nice, Trist.
That's very nice. Check the hourly candle. No. I don't need to, bro. I know what it looks like. One big fucking green dildo.
Oh my God. Right now you have a swing. 9 took.
You're 15 points away from your TP. Where the fuck is your TP, my man? Previous week high?
All-time highs.
What the fuck? We just ran 200 points to the upside. You're like, do you think I'm getting greedy? General rule of thumb. If you have to ask yourself, am I getting greedy? You are probably getting greedy.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just a general rule.
Fear and greed never fail. Never, never, never. Spike it down 200 points. CPI low.
Yeah, maybe, honestly.
That'd be nasty.
I mean, I've seen him do worse, you know.
This guy's 15 points away from his TP. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Got him.
You have a 30-second here.
I think you wait for a new 5-minute candle and long that shit higher. That's what I think.
Just gonna try it with
I
one
mean,
micro.
This pullback into 50% of this range, that's fucking gas, by the way. No one can tell me. Like, I am so convinced that premium discount rules the market that if you proved to me that it didn't, I wouldn't believe you. Like, actually, I just would be like, yeah, cool, nice. I don't believe you. I mean, the 50%. The 50%.
The 50%. Basically auction market theory, right?
Not really. I mean, to some degree, yes. But like auction market theory just... Yeah. It's just different.
Three stop losses earlier today. Made 2 times back. Time to chill. It's time to chill, my boy.
What was that noise? Did you get long?
No, I had an alert set for that 30,074. It's so funny. Like I have that on TradingView, and whenever I have an alert set, I get that sound, I get an email, and I get a text.
Jesus.
Do you guys see candlesticks when you close your eyes?
That's so fucked. It actually may just be one of those days where we do fuck all.
Dude. When will we see the lab members IRL?
When will you see the lab members IRL? Never. Good morning. Now I was actually short into the open. Got stopped for like a very small loss. My TP was basically the low. And I would have been done. And now I'm just sat watching this thing melt in my face. So no, I'm not long.
I didn't get filled. So
Yeah, we're kind of just stuck here with our Johnsons in our hand.
gotta pump it up.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely no. There's nothing stopping this thing right now. That's for sure.
The upward trend continues. Oh, I mean, bread. Those calls are up 400% right now. So yeah, I'm a little upset.
They'll kill it though. Don't worry about it. I believe in them.
10 a.m. reversal.
You know what I'm saying? Sadly, I don't think they're gonna do that today. What's everyone having for lunch today? Tears. Baked beans on toast. That's all we can afford right now.
Chipotle. What the fuck, Max?
A Chad might mock, but when the jester performs, even the king sits to listen. Shit. He's out here spitting poetry again.
Modern Shakespeare. If NQ gives a good 1 hour close above 240, then it's all-time highs.
Who's the fucking jester or the joker?
Isn't it all the same?
I should have put on way more size. Yeah. It didn't make sense in the moment. So
Sometimes I think about what it'd be like to own a zoo, to own zoo animals.
yeah, then you go into Discord and you realize not that fun.
We can ask Michael Jackson.
Can we? That guy is dead, my boy.
Yeah, all of that zoo animals.
Absolutely nothing up here for us chat right now, sadly.
See you, Alex. Look, see, Alex also has it.
Oh, the little Chinese thing.
Yeah.
They're hackers.
CCP agents.
No, they're ICE agents, bro. Yeah, you got a bit scared of that, didn't you? Is the Racco guy the guy who interviewed you? Interviewed me? Don't say that. He's gonna get what's it called? Trying to hack Kane's bank account through one of these streams. Bro. You can hack that shit. There's not that much money in it right now. We kind of spent a bit too much the last couple of months. I'm kidding. There's money in it, but please don't do it to me. The pro League of Legends coach. Yes, he is a pro League of Legends coach.
What's up, Michael? What is the most amount of you guys spent in a month? Shit.
The most amount I've spent in a month.
Like $100.
Nah, I plead the fifth.
Took any opening trades? No.
Oh, if you count the car, then it's obviously over 200k. But like, I'm not. I would never count that. Like, I'm speaking like the most I've ever just spent, like doing shit, living, like not buying materialistic things. Probably like 100 bands. And actually, I'm gonna be honest. I don't even know what the fuck it was on.
Not bandos.
Yeah.
Bro, SpaceX basically teased 100 and then just popped to 150.
Really?
Yeah. I think Leo actually got in at like 110.
Show me the proof. Everyone's gonna say they bought it. I want to see the shares you purchased it at. Otherwise, I think you're all LARPing. The only thing, Nick, the only thing about that model that is not that good is the usage limit. It's actually really low. But it is really cheap.
Cursor sub is the go-to.
Yeah, I have. Yeah. I have both now, but how important is the second charts as a day trader? I mean, if you listen to us, you'll be convinced that it's like really important, but like the reality is you don't need it. I think that's a very good.
DeepSeek V4 Pro dropped its basically pennies on the dollar.
Yeah. Holy fuck, they're just running this thing higher.
Yeah.
This is so gay, by the way.
1 minute gaps, dude.
So so awful from them.
It's going fucking 30,500.
Is DeepSeek the same level? Probably not as Grok, but it's still good for like 90% of what people want it to do. Yeah, but I find it really hard to long a high anyway.
Yeah, it's just made a new all-time high. $124 average. Not that bad. $10 a.m.
You're in like 8 rotations. Yeah, but Nick, I'm gonna be honest. 99% of people don't take profit of on those rotations the way that I think a lot of people should. I think you should be scaling out of your position because most of the time it's like, how do you know? Oh, you get long above. What am I doing with my cursor? Why? It's just sat there doing nothing. I'm obviously not on my trading view right now. Because
reversal.
what the fuck is that's insane. What do you mean that's insane? Okay, it's here, boys. This is it. This is it. No, like AI. Oh, sorry. My AI cursor. I'm actually not doing anything with AI cursor other than using it to get Grok. That's actually all I use it for. And then I just cycle through all of my Grok subscriptions until they run out. All-time low. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
COVID lows.
The take profit at rotations. I don't know. I think people like I get the logic of you know, taking profit of the rotations, putting size back on. Mentally it like doesn't affect people as much. But I actually think that people don't actually see it that way.
Yes, it's just not stopping. It's not 2 to 5 minutes. You're so dramatic.
It's a couple. I think you're just maybe you're delayed.
It's like 3 seconds tops.
And maybe you're just delayed.
I can't believe they just ran this like this today. Can't believe it. Check that picture. There is no right one, Bread. It's always NQ. YMTP hit. Hell yeah. Congrats, my boy.
Are we gonna try this? I think I'm gonna try chat. I'm in two. I'm selling two right here. My stop loss is literally at the high, a tick above the high. And if it doesn't go, it doesn't go. I probably just leave the market alone. This is like a trade to just to take it. We have so much room on the downside. ES taking the high, NQ failing. Like they're either going to do it here or they're not. And there it goes. Is that a 5 minute? That is a 5 minute. We're kind of bored, bro. Just there's not really much to do, sadly. Which fucking breaker block did you guys long? The one at 933, all the way down here. This one. See you later, brother. Oh, that's why you're thinking about the zoo. That makes more sense.
With the minions.
Or 770. 770? The fuck? 730? Oh, you mean the 730 time frame? Oh, you longed here. Yeah. That is a trade I don't mind so much. They brought it all the way back to entry here.
At least I know what I'll be doing tomorrow. Just
What's
gonna long
that?
the open.
Yeah, it's the day they fucking dump it at the open though. They ain't gonna give it to you that easy. They never do.
Pretty sick trade.
If they kill it here, then this is actually looking potentially pretty good. I'm not going to take it, but there's definitely some pullbacks to be had here. So this was the trade I took. What was the entry? 160. It's basically the same. Here. And we basically just got stopped out. And actually, I'd probably just take it to there, but I'm not in that shit. This is a day where I do notoriously bad. So it's going to be a day where we notoriously do nothing other than give it once or twice, and that was it. Lante probably mogging in these conditions. I mean, unless you longed here, one of the in here, this kind of just went. And actually, it used yesterday's opening price pretty nicely to then ping higher. It's just not conditions I do well in. Everyone will preach to you around why these conditions work really well for them. I let them have it. It's not something that I actively let them do. And absolutely a bing bong of a market though, because now we just got to sit around and do nothing. Which is not very nice.
What if it retraces the whole thing today? Are you short? It sounds like you're short, Smash. This guy's short.
That sounds like I'm short. Can you see it happening?
Bro, the calls were $1.10.
What are they up to now?
$5.70.
That's a nice little 5x right there.
Yeah, this is good. Sick of it. Took a short and got stopped. Not touching this anymore. Fair.
They're just ruining my day.
Boys, I'm also on for a PM session, but I'm just not sure what
I think we might cancel PM session today, boys.
what we'll do.
You also just have to understand something, boys. I know that like we're sitting here, we're joking, we're like, you know, we'd love it to be clean conditions all the time, but sometimes the market does just run like this, you know, like, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Sometimes you catch it, sometimes you don't. Very rarely you catch the whole thing, and most of the time the people telling you that they caught the entire thing are lying out their ass. So that would be my recommendation to you guys. Would you say the market has been more trash since Trump? Not really. I mean, I think the market has kind of been doing the same thing. Volatility is definitely higher. So I think that the average person, when they have like stop losses, they typically get hit more. But actually, the inverse of that is also true. Your take profit is more likely to hit as well.
Twitter live gonna be crazy today. Yeah, you had to have chased, Nico. Like, it was the only way. I'm sorry, Olga. Sorry that happened. It's part of the game. Yeah. Forever. Always will be.
Now the real question is, how much higher can they take this? We are currently up 1% on the day.
Another percent.
Oh, no, I'm kidding. Got you though, didn't I? Gotcha, bitches. Who fell for that? Come on, put your hands up. Hands up. All of you did. uh... Oh, I'm so fucking good. I knew that would get you guys. You know what? Because it got me the other day. Someone did that to me. They were like, "Oh my god!" And I immediately alt tabbed to my training view. I was like, "What's up?" They're like, "The market's not moving." Yeah, that's so funny. It's just gonna honestly, it's one of those days that actually, if you go long anytime after 9:30, you could probably make money. But like the thing is you could end up in a situation where you get stopped out. And it's just so like boring. Like, actually, what do we do here? There's actually just no like any part of this is gonna retrace, I think. Thing is, some people are selling it up here. Could get a rotation back down, maybe into this 15-minute low. Doubt it though, but we could.
What's up, NQ body?
That's it, boys. 30,200 is the top. We're going lower. I'm gonna tweet about it. I'm gonna tweet it right now. Generational. Atlanto is up today. Generational short at 30,200. It just sold my dogs and sold more. See you at 20K. How do I make it more rate? Actually, look, here we go. We paste it into Claude. Apparently these do well, so make this tweet more rage baity. Kane, your tweets are random as fuck. What do you mean? They're all about trading. Oh fuck, Trish, that's like the worst thing ever. Okay, here you go. Ready? Ready? This is the tweet. This is the tweet. Just ended the cleanest short of my career at 30,200. Sold my dogs to size up. Most of you won't understand this until it's too late. That's fine. 20K loading. And actually, no, I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it. When we hit 20K, I don't want a single "how did you know" in my DMs. That's actually what I'm going to put. Don't sell the dogs. I would never. ES is absolutely on a mission.
Bro, yeah. It's to 8,000, it seems. At this point, might sell one Canadian fund the next few months before PA gets better. The PA do get better. It's here now. Just enter the clean and share my career. I have no idea, body.
Apparently, I work for Lucid.
All these advanced time cycles / gamma exposure, the most random stuff. I mean, options volume stuff works. That's to say, like, obviously you don't really, like, you don't need it, but I think options volume is really important. It really works. I think it's people try to sell something though, make something super complicated. Yeah, that's for sure. Complicating shit, just you know how it is.
People want to complicate stuff just to sound fucking important, you know?
Yeah, sounds smart.
Yeah. Cyber.
It's funny though because people with the most payouts have the most simple models. Audio. Funny. Yeah, that's how it works. It's all just cycles. I'm not sure there's anything to do. I don't know if you want to call it.
Wrap that shit up.
Yeah. Boys, I think we're just gonna call it here. Just realized yes is at all-time highs. Yeah. There's nothing for us to do.
Other than short this thing to 0. But we're not gonna do that today.
So I will see you guys maybe a little bit for the PM. Maybe do some back testing. We'll start at 2 p.m. Eastern, but apart from that, yeah, there's just nothing for us to do. That's taking every 1 minute low and every 1 minute imbalance and just continuing higher. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you later today and tomorrow. Peace out, boys.
Ciao.